The Delhi government has just announced a major change that will impact the lives of lakhs of slum dwellers across the capital. The eligibility cutoff has now been shifted from January 1st, 2015 to January 1st, 2025. On paper, that means many more families will get permanent housing. Why was that change needed, and what happened to the rehabilitation program over the last decade? Delhi has around 675 recognized JJ clusters, although officials estimate the actual number is closer to 750. Nearly 20 lakh people live in these settlements: drivers, domestic workers, street vendors, construction workers, and others who form the backbone of the city's workforce. Back in 2015, Delhi's rehabilitation policy said that only families living in a slum before January 1st, 2015 would be eligible for rehabilitation. Anyone who moved into a recognized slum after that date was excluded, even if they had lived there for years. Over the last decade, while some rehabilitation projects did move forward, progress overall remained slow. Several projects were delayed because of land ownership disputes, legal challenges, and coordination issues between different government agencies. At the same time, demolition continued in several slum clusters, with residents often alleging they were evicted before being rehabilitated. Meanwhile, the slum population kept growing, and the families who settled after 2015 simply fell out of the criteria. This is what the Delhi government says they want to fix now. Under the new Delhi Slum and JJ Cluster Rehabilitation and Relocation Policy 2026, the cutoff date has been extended by 10 years to January 1st, 2025. Chief Minister Rekha Gupta says this will allow many more families to access rehabilitation. Eligible beneficiaries will receive multi-story flats along with schools, health centers, anganwadis, and other civic amenities. The policy also proposes accommodating larger families living in separate units within the same slum structure, subject to additional charges. The BJP had also promised 3.5 lakh Pakka houses ahead of the 2025 Delhi Assembly elections, and the government says redevelopment work has already begun in 5 slum clusters. The larger rehabilitation program aims to benefit 4 to 5 lakh families, covering nearly 20 lakh people. For lakhs of families, this announcement offers hope of moving from temporary shelters to permanent housing. But after years of delayed projects, the biggest question remains: will this finally translate to homes on the ground, or just remain another promise on paper? For more such stories, keep watching Decoder.